We've got 64 operating hotels and another 70 in the pipeline for franchise. We've got 48 operating hotels, which is around 25,000 rooms in the kingdom, and another 62 in the pipeline, which is about 20,000 rooms. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me here. It's great to be back in Future Hospitality Summit. Great to be here during this time. So with manage and franchise, we've never over-indexed one operating model over another. Globally, with over 7,000 plus hotels in 110 countries, IHG has close to about 80% of our business in franchise. In this part of the world, because we are developing, we've got 64 operating hotels and another 70 in the pipeline for franchise. Just in Saudi, between both and manage and franchise hotels, we've got 48 operating hotels, which is around 25,000 rooms in the kingdom, and another 62 in the pipeline, which is about 20,000 rooms. We are one of the largest operators amongst the top 5 hospitality companies globally in the kingdom, and we are the largest pipeline holders too. Now, for the franchise model to succeed, what is really crucial and critical is for the owners to really understand on what franchising is. So they need to have the credentials to understand what and their capability. So we've got 3 models in which we run. One is an owner-operator, where the owner runs and operates the hotel because they have the capability. The second, what we have is a third-party operator, where the owners would take support from a third-party operator. And the third is a franchise plus, where we would give support from IHG to ownership, where we put in the general manager of managed hotel in a franchise environment for a period of 2 to 3 years. And that's how we can grow. So key aspects are the brands grow because they're able to scale through franchising. Franchise gets the maximum out of the brand because it's the global distribution system, integrated marketing, the technology, the loyalty program, and so on and so forth. So it's beneficial both for the brand as well as for the ownership. And as market matures, like with Saudi Arabia, we can see a lot of interest going towards franchising. And I'm really, really excited to be here as we speak in Future Hospitality Summit.
Our second question would be, franchising is becoming a major driver for regional growth. How is IHG adapting its franchise model to match the rapid pace and speed of Saudi Arabia Vision 2030 hospitality pipeline?
Great. The pace in which Saudi Arabia is growing is immense, right? If I was to see different segments, different markets that are growing within Saudi Arabia, it's really encouraging to see the demand of the investors and the requirements that are coming through. Where I would see the opportunities like not just in Mecca, Medina, Jeddah, Riyadh, but also in the Eastern Province and in multiple locations where we are getting the demand coming through. And so, like I was mentioning earlier, we have a very healthy pipeline, both with manage and franchise. 9 operating hotels in the kingdom for franchise at this moment, and another 20 in the pipeline. We are coordinating and collaborating with investors, with owners that are seeing huge opportunities across the kingdom. And as we expand and grow across these regions, it will give us a lot of opportunities to open up, whether it's luxury lifestyle, whether it's premium essential suite brands across the market.
With your background in quality assurance and guest experience, how does IHG ensure that independent franchise owners maintain strict international brand standards while operating locally?
Great, thank you for the question. So consistency is the key. What is really crucial and critical are the brand standards that are being maintained, because a customer walking into a hotel does not differentiate between manage and franchise. Whether you're going to a managed hotel or a franchise, the expectations remains the same. So we have annual brand standard audits, but we also do something as the weekly proactive self-audits that are done by the ownership within the property. So every franchise owner does a weekly audit on guest experience that helps us to maintain brand standard and consistency through. We also have something called as the hotel metrics. So whether it's a manage or a franchise, and as I was mentioning earlier, there is no difference between an owner, between a guest choosing between a hotel, and similarly when we are measuring, there's actually no difference between when we measure a managed hotel versus a franchise hotel. So we have something called as a hotel metrics and ensure that not just internally, which is what we call heartbeat or guest love, but even external, on all our social media scores are all compared to our competitors, and we do a better job. So the idea is whether it's the guest satisfaction index or the revenue generating index or profit generating index are above market share. So we try and help and support. We have a dedicated franchise team for this, so that connects with our global enterprise. So while we get a lot of support from our system, but it is in our team that is based out of Dubai and London that's supporting our 64 operating hotels in operations, in commercial, in revenue management, and so on.